Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home with the presence of our loving God. Have a good day, children. Today we are going to learn English. What subject we are going to learn? English. In English, last week we have completed lesson 2 book exercises. Book back exercises we have completed, no? And then we have completed the poem Clouds. Today we are going to do lesson 2, the last sheet workbook exercises. What we are going to do? We are going to do workbook exercises. Shall we pass on to that? Now look at here. Part A. The little boy saw many animals in the jungle. Jungle means forest. Okay. Now write the names of the animals. Choose from the box. Here we have one box. In that box we have the names of the animals. What are the animal names there? D-E-E-R deer, B-E-A-R bear, L-E-O-P-A-R-D leopard, M-O-N-K-E-Y monkey, ELEPHANT elephant, LION lion, ZEBRA zebra, TIGER tiger, CROCODILE crocodile, GIRAFFE giraffe, RABBIT rabbit. Now we are going to write the names of the animals. Look at here. What animal is this? Lion. What's the spelling for lion? L-I-O-N, lion. You have to write in this box. And look at the next animal. What is this? Giraffe. Very good. What's the spelling for giraffe? Giraffe. Giraffe. You have to write in this box. And look at here. This animal is in water. What animal is this? Crocodile. Very good. What's the spelling for crocodile? C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodile. You have to write in this box. And what is this? Very naughty animal. Monkey. Very good. What's the spelling for monkey? M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. You have to write in this box. And what animal is this? This animal is having stripes on the body. It's our national animal. What is this? Tiger. Very good. You got to write the spelling for tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. And what is this? Spotted animal? Deer. Very good. D-E-E-R. Deer spelling you have to write here. And what animal is this? Cheetah. Very good. What's the spelling for cheetah? What's cheetah? Cheetah is here. This is leopard. Okay, children? L-E-O-P-A-R-D, leopard. What animal is this? Leopard. And then what animal is this? Big trunk. Yes, what is it? Elephant. What's the spelling for elephant? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant spelling you have to write. What animal is this? This animals also have stripes on the body. Very good. Zebra. What's the spelling for zebra? Z-T-B-R-A. Zebra. You have to write. And then what animal is this? Bear. What's the spelling for bear? B-E-A-R. Bear. You have to write. And what animal is this? Yes, very good. Rabbit. What's the spelling for rabbit? R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. You have to copy down the answer like this in your book. Okay, children? Now, look at the next exercise. Part B. Some animals live on land and some animals in water. Write the names of these animals in the correct columns. In the previous picture, look at here. We saw here, no? These animals live on land and this animal live in water. Just like that, here we have some animal names. Which animal lives in water? That animal we have to write separate, and which animal lives on land, that we have to write separate. Look at here. What are the animals here first? W-O-L-F, wolf. W-O-L-F, wolf. This animal lives on land, on water. This animal lives on land. So you have to write in the land animals. L-A-N-D, land. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals, land animal is here, and then W-A-T-E-R, water, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, water animals. Land animals you have to write here, water animals you have to write there. Number 1 is W-O-L-F, wolf. Wolf lives on land, so we have to write it on W-O-L-F, wolf in land animals. And look at the next one, D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. Where dolphin lives? It's a kind of fish, so it lives in water. D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin you have to write. And look at the next one, C-O-W, cow. Cow lives on land. C-O-W, cow you have to write in land animals. And then O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. Octopus lives on water. O-C lives in water, no? O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. Okay. And look at the next one, camel. C-A-M-E-L, camel. Camel picture is here, no? Yes. Where does it live? It lives on land. C-A-M-E-L, camel. And look at it, W-H-A-L-E, whale. Whale, it's a big fish. It lives on water. Now you understand it, children? Shall we pass on to the next one? Now we are going to do part C, spelling. Fill in the double letters to complete the words. Choose from the box. Here we have double R, double B, double F, double L, double T, double B. What we have to do? You have to look at the picture and you have to write the answer here. Which double letter you have is suit here, you have to write here. Shall we do it? Look at this. First one. What picture is this? Rabbit. What letter has to come here? What's the spelling for rabbit? R-A-B-B. So you have to write here B-B. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Look at the second one. What is this? Hippo. What's the spelling for hippo? H-I-P-P-O. So you have to write here P. Double P you have to write. H-I-P-P-O. And look at the third one. What picture is this? Squirrel. What's the spelling for squirrel? S-Q-U-I-R-R. R-R, double R you have to write here. R-R-E-L, squirrel. And look at the fourth one. What is it? Alligator. It's not crocodile, it's alligator. What's the spelling for alligator? A-L-L. L-L, double L you have to write. Alligator. And then look at the fifth one. What is this? Kitten. Baby of cat. What's the spelling for kitten? K-I-T-T. So you got to write here double T, K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. And look at the sixth one. What is this? It's not cow, it's a buffalo. What's the spelling for buffalo? B-U-F-F. F-F. Double F you got to write. You all understand it, children? You have to write the double letters in the correct options. Look at the next one. D. Tick the naming words. We already learnt it in the book itself. What are naming words? Naming words are nouns. Very good. Names of a person, names of a place, names of a thing. Very good. Person, place, animals and things are nouns. Now, shall we do this? Part D. Tick the naming words. Look at here. Number 1. D-O-G, dog. What is that? Dog is a person, animal, thing or a place. Dog is a animal. So, we have to give a tick. And look at the next one. Number 2, L-A-U-G-H, laugh. Laughing is an action. It's an action. So, it's not a naming word. Don't touch it. Look at the third one, sing. S-I-N-G, sing. Singing is also an action. So you shouldn't touch this. And look at the fourth one. R-U-N, run. R-U-N, run. Running is it's also an action word. So don't touch it. Look at the fifth one. F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. Forest is a place where animals live. Wild animals live there, no? Yes, so we have to give a tick. It's a naming word. It's a place. And L-O-O-K, look. Looking is also an action only. So don't touch this. And look at the next one. Number 7, G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Grapes is a thing. So you have to give a tick. And number 8, P-E-N, pen. Pen is also a thing. Got to give a tick. And then number 9, F-O-X, fox. Fox is an animal. That's also a naming word. So you have to give a tick. Now you understand this, children. Shall we pass on to the next one? Look at here. Party, write animal or thing. If it's animal, you have to write animal. If it's a thing, you have to write thing. What's the spelling for animal? A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. What's the spelling for thing? T-H-I-N-G, thing. Shall we start writing? Look at the number 1. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Sheep is a animal. So you got to write A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. You got to write. And look at the next one. Chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Chair is a thing. Very good. What's the spelling for thing? T-H-I-N-G, thing. You got to write. And look at the third one. S-H-O-E-S, shoes. Shoes is an animal? No, it's a thing. So you got to write T-H-I-N-G, thing. And look at the fourth one. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Rabbit is a animal. Very good. A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. You have to write. And look at the fifth one. K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Kitten is a baby of a cat. That's a animal. So you have to write the spelling for animal. A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. And look at the sixth one. P-L-A-T-E, plate. Plate is a thing. T-H-I-N-G, thing. Now you understand this, children. For animal, you have to write near the spelling for animal. For the thing, you have to write the spelling for thing. Shall we pass on to the next one? Now we are going to do part F. Add S to these words to make many words. Here they have given a single thing, one. And what we have to do? We have to make it into many. If we want to make one thing to many, what we have to add? We have to add S. Very good. Here you have a spelling for hill. H-I-L-L, hill spelling is here. What you have to add to make into many? S you have to add. H-I, the same spelling you got to write. At last you got to add S. Hills. Look at the second one. B-E-E-B. You have to add S. B-E-E-S. Bees. And then the third one. T-R-A-I-N. Train. T-R-A-I-N-S. We have to add trains. And look at the fourth one. D-O-L-L. Doll. D-O-L-L-S. Dolls. And look at the fifth one. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R-S. Tigers. And look at the sixth one. B-O-Y. Boy. B-O-Y-S. Boys. And look at the seventh one. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T-S. Rabbits. And look at the eighth one. Pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. P-E-N-C-I-L. CILS, pencils. And look at the ninth one, NUT, nut, NUTS, nuts. You understand this now, children? In all the words, at last we have to add S only. It's an easy one. Look at the next one. Part G, writing fun. What do these animals like to eat? Write one sentence about each animal. Choose words from the box. Here we have some options. What are the options? BANANAS, bananas. HONEY, honey. INSECTS, insects. GRASS, grass. AND, ant. LEAVES, leaves, grass and leaves. CARROTS, carrots. Here we have some options, and here we have the animal. Number 1, what animal is this? Rabbit. Number 2, bear. Number 3, frog. Number 4, goat. Number 5, monkey. Here look at the first one. This is a rabbit. I am a rabbit. Which one rabbit likes to eat? Rabbit likes to eat carrot. So here they write, I like to eat carrots. And look at the next one. I am a bear. I am a bear. Bear want to eat? Yes. Bear like to drink honey. Bear like to drink honey. So I am a bear. I like to drink honey. You have to write. And look at the next one. What is this? Frog. And I am a frog. What frog like to eat? Frog like to eat insects. Frog likes to, I like to eat insects. And look at the next one. What is this? Goat. I am a goat. And what goat likes to eat? Goat likes to eat grass and leaves. I like to eat grass and leaves. And look at the last one. I am a monkey. What monkey likes to eat? Monkey like to eat bananas. I like to eat bananas. You have to write the answer like this in your book. Okay, children. Now we pass on to the poem. Look at here. Clouds poem we learnt, no? For that poem we are going to do the book exercise. Look at your part A. Look at the shapes of these clouds. In that poem we learn about, yes, we saw one cloud picture, one animal we find out in that poem, no? What animal is that? Sheep. And look at here, look at the shapes of these clouds. Which animals do you see? Here we have a cloud picture. Inside that picture, what animal we can see? That we have to write their names. Choose words from the box. Here you have an option. What are the options? SHEEP, sheep. CAT, cat. OWL, owl. Now look at here. The first one, how does it look like? It looks like a cat. Very good. So you have to write the spelling for cat. CAT, cat spelling you have to write here. And look at the next one. What animal can you see? Yes, it's a bird. It has wings. That is owl. Write the spelling for owl. OWL, owl. And look at the last one. It looks like a sheep. Write the spelling for sheep. SHEEP, sheep. Okay, children? Yes. Now, look at the next one. Color the things you see in the sky. In the sky, what are the things can we see? Yes, what are the things can we see? We can see sun, very good. Sun, star, and then moon we can see. Now look at here. What you have to do, you have to color it. Look at the first one. Sun, can we see? No? Yes, we can see in the sky. What's the color of the sun? That you have to do it. And then what we see in the sky? Yes, we can see clouds. We can see, no? So you have to color the clouds. can color the cloud also. Sun we can see in the sky, and then cloud we can see in the sky. Can we see tree in the sky? No. And then kite can we see? When we fly the kite only we can see it in the sky. We can't see the kite always in the sky. Okay children? Now you understand this? These two things we can see in the sky. Now today's homework, what you have to do? You have to read and complete the page number 7 to 10 in your English workbook. What are the exercises we did now? Those exercises you have to complete it in your English workbook. I hope you all understand the exercises clearly. We will meet in the next session. Thank you children.